know is that there was a meeting with members of the government, members of the cabinet at the Prime Minister's office here in Rome. And it is believed that a decision was made to close all schools and universities from the 5th till the 15th of March. Now, we're still waiting for the official decree to be made. The Minister of Education has essentially said that, look, we're waiting for the official word. It should come in this afternoon in a couple of hours, but we do expect this decision to be made. Now, it's important to note that schools up north in the country, in those 10 towns that are under lockdown, as well as in the region where Milan is located, as well as in Veneto and other neighboring regions up north, have already been closed for more than a week. But this decision now will affect the entire country, the entire territory here in Italy. And the officials are saying it's necessary in order to limit the spread of this COVID-19 virus.
And Seema, what can you tell us about how the authorities have been managing this health crisis until now?
Well, they're trying to do everything in terms of containment and collaboration in terms of the different parts of the government working on this issue. The areas that are under lockdown, there have been reports that they are struggling in terms of dealing with the numbers of people that need medical help and medical attention. So they are getting help from other medical staff, and certain patients are also being moved to certain military hospitals in and around the Milan area. On top of that, we do understand that they're boosting the number of beds up to 50% increase on those requiring intensive care, as well as, of course, the numbers of respirators. So these are some of the medical steps that they're taking in terms of dealing with this outbreak here in Italy. But clearly also the authorities and Italians very concerned about the economic impact of all of this on the country. Tourism has been severely affected with cancellations of flights, as well as hotel rooms and various visitors coming to Italy. This, of course, being the peak tourism season. And so it could mean billions of euros of losses. They've promised a stimulus package worth some 3.6 billion euros. And there is talk at this stage, still talk about another area up north, perhaps facing a quarantine as well. So we'll have to see what the government does announce in the next couple of hours as far as the closure of schools is concerned, a measure that is clearly going to impact a lot of Italians across the country. And in fact, we have the leader of the opposition party, Matteo Salvini, saying that perhaps the government needs to do more to help parents deal with this as their children are now at home, and how are they going to cope with their work commitments as well.